Hey, you wonderful weirdos, I'm Pocan Joe, and as always, you're pretty cool for swinging by. So this month's 30-day challenge from the evil Lair, what will we be building? We're going to make Thor's hammer. But I'm not making it out of metal. I decided to kind of upscale this one a little bit and truly bring the hardness into it, literally. So what we're going to do is we're making it out of Norfolk cobblestone, which is just really granite. But I was able to get a couple pieces of this, but I wanted a bigger challenge. So on this particular project, no power tools. I have to do everything with hand tools. That means files, punches, sheets of metal, some sand, some water. So a lot of ability to fail here. So let's watch me do this a whole lot. Enjoy the music.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we seeing the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars or Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be a shield.
Be your shield.
Yeah.
In the fiercest battle, I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your
You may be facing tribulation, but don't let it get you down. What I'm saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scorched my own 2 feet to pull you to safety. When the fires are burning, burning like crazy, carnage around us, but you won't feel no pain. I will take your place, I will be your shield. I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your
Whosoever holds this hammer shall possess the power of Thor. That's what I gotta chisel into this thing now. Let's do it.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash cause good die young. Hey, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Okay, so our stone's almost done, but I wanted to kind of go ahead and start working on the handle. This is actually an old riot stake. So we're going to use this for the handle, going to trim it down, and then start figuring out where we're going to put our leather and maybe something else. I don't quite know yet. Let's find out. Let's play some music.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky. I might leave regrets and wishes and hopes and bets and wondering what would happen. Think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and
make it shine. We're going to clean it up, seal it up, polish it up, add some glow powder, polish it again, and then big reveal.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets, they're made up. We ain't hiding out tonight. Yeah. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Who cares if we're famous? Cause the stars already know what our name is. And it's starting to align. We'll be lighting up the night. Nobody gon' tame us. No fear, we ain't scared of danger. So give it your best try. Can't nobody stop us this time. So I'ma let my chest poke out just a little. I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise. So keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets, they're made up. We ain't hiding out tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it up.
Light up the night sky, light up the road.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the road.
Let's toast to the dreamers. Royalty, we the kings and the queens, yeah. And the kingdom's ours tonight. No, we won't be pushed aside. Nobody who's seen us can stay a doubter, we'll turn them to believers. Don't even try to deny, cause we're young, wild, and alive. So I'ma let my chest poke out just a little. I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise. So keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets, they're made up. We ain't hiding out tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the road.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the road.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the road.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the road.
Okay, let's see if it works. Alright guys, that's it. I finished it. And it's for Ms. So. A lot of you cats out in the comic book community may know Ms. So. She jumps in, she's always commenting, and I just felt like we should do something for somebody out there just to do it. So Ms. So came up with a suggestion to do Thor's hammer, and that we did. That's right, we engraved it, even got a little liney thing. I did some like Celtic knotting, got a gold plate, got a pommel. I would not hold it by the strap. I couldn't find any thicker leather. All right, we added some copper to it. That just made sense with the electricity and everything. And so we had some copper rings to it that we shined up, made out of granite. Oh, and it glows. And we put a message in it to Miss So. So first we got that kind of weird Thor emblem. Then we got our blue lines, and I did the knotting areas with kind of like a blue, eerie, purplish type color. And then on this side we put, whomsoever holds this hammer, if ye be worthy, shall possess the power of So, for Miss So on there. So, remember, I chiseled this by hand, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take it for what it is. Chiseling it again is not gonna work. Alright. So again, what did you think about this? Do you have any suggestions or ideas for the Evil Lair? Please put that down in the comments. I'm always happy to try to make something in here if my ability will allow me. Next week, or not next week, next month, we're going to make a laser, because that's like every comic book. Everybody has a laser. From G.I. Joe to modern comics, heck, even He-Man. Those cats running around shot lasers. And we're going to follow this design here, which means we're going to have to make a circuit board. So if you want to see a circuit board being made and how a laser is made, come back next month and we'll be able to do that. That promo should be out any day now. So yeah. Thank you again, Ms. So. We're going to get this out to you as quick as possible. I might put another round of polish on it for you since, you know, it was in the dirt and everything. All right, guys. I got nothing else. Thanks for swinging by. Bye. One of my favorite things to eat is baby octopuses. Oh, please, don't eat me.